How to add customer reviews to your Shopify store. Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how you can add customer reviews to your Shopify store. So let's get started. So first things first, open up your Shopify account, go to your dashboard, and over here onto the left hand side you need to go over here onto the App Store. So just simply click on Add App, click on Shopify App Store, and once you're over here all you have to do is just simply search for reviews. And over here you have a bunch of different options, but what I would recommend is either go with logs, judge me, or air or trust reviews, right? What this will allow you to do is this will allow you to create or generate fake reviews for your store that look real. So all you got to do is just simply click on the application, click on install, and over here just simply click on install button, and over here wait for it to be installed and you should be good to go. Then all you have to do is just set up the application and you are good to go. So click on the continue button, make sure lock score script is on. So you just simply click over here, enable it. It's gonna open up right here. Then it says right here, lock score script activated. Then just simply save it and exit it. Click over here. It's verifying. As you can see, it is verified. Click on continue. And then you can just simply click on add product reviews right here. Click on the window and then just simply click on save. So if you click over here, it's going to open up in another tab. And over here, we can add the official window for the product reviews. It failed. Let me try again. And once it's done, you are good to go. Then you can just simply click on the application, click on reviews, and over here you can manage your new reviews, review requesting, timing, and all of that, right? So if you click over here and you click on reviews, manage reviews, over here you can import reviews or send manual reports as well. You can display the reviews as you can see right here as a gallery, as one by one, or carousel, whatever you want. You can good to go. And you can also have collect reviews over here. You can collect them reviews, video reviews, manual reviews. It all depends on you. And once you've done that, you are good to go. And that is how you add reviews to your Shopify store. So thank you for watching. Until next time, take care and goodbye.